In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reboot any Roku device with the remote only and fix any issues using a secret code. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by obviously grabbing that Roku remote. And what you're going to want to do is press the following buttons in order. Go ahead and press the home button 5 times. I'm going to do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then go ahead and press the up button once. Then press the rewind button 2 times. 1, 2. And then press the fast forward button 2 times. 1, 2. And what this is going to do is have your Roku screen freeze, or maybe it'll start moving by itself for a little bit. But after about 10 to 15 seconds, the device will automatically restart and show you the Roku logo. Now, this hidden reboot shortcut is actually great for troubleshooting issues like lag or freezing, apps not loading, or general performance problems. And sometimes a quick little restart like this is all your Roku needs in order to fix whatever issue it might be having. But that's how you could use the secret reboot code to restart your Roku device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.